Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, referred to as SMTP, is a standard for electronic mail transmission. For emails to be sent to destined users, setting up SMTP server is vital. VIDIZMO DEM sets up a default SMTP server when it is installed. However, VIDIZMO DEM offers the flexibility of configuring your SMTP server in your portal. SMTP settings can be configured from email and SMTP and control panel settings. VIDIZMO DEM also allows you to configure default email date and datetime formats. In this video, we will be looking at configuring SMTP settings for sending emails in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. From the portal's homepage, click on the navigation menu on the top left of your screen and select the control panel under Admin. Select SMTP by expanding the Email and SMTP tab and click Configure SMTP Settings. From the SMTP settings screen, enter the SMTP server that you have configured for your organization and provide the port used in your SMTP server. You can enable SSL via checkbox if your mail server is configured to use SSL. Enter the sender's email address of the account that will be used to relay email messages. Enter the password for your account. And re-enter it in Confirm Password. Now enter the email address from which to send the email in from. Enter the email address of any additional person you want to share the information with, in CC. Next, enter the email address of any additional person you want to send the blind copy of the email to in BCC. Enter the email that the receiver can send back a reply to in Reply To and choose the level of priority of emails in terms of importance and urgency of delivery. You can check to compose messages in HTML format to enable the editing or composing of email templates in HTML. Click on Add SMTP Settings to save changes and a notification will appear briefly stating, SMTP settings added successfully. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.